What's up guys, I hope you are enjoying summer. MSI X670E ACE motherboard has just got a new BIOS update that enables higher DDR5 memory support of up to 8000 MHz. That's really a good news for AMD users, and in this video I'll share the results that I got with this 7200 MHz model by Kingston, which is an XMP3 ready. Now with that being said, let's get to BIOS to see the options that we have. So here in the OC tab, I have the OC Explore mode set to Expert, and I'll go ahead and enable XMP. In my case, Profile 1 has the fastest speed. And what's cool that I am able to have memory timing preset enabled, which is an experimental feature by MSI that control memory timing, giving increased performance. I got it working on tighter option. I also have memory context restore enabled, and that will avoid memory training in some occasions in order to give you a fast boot time. I personally don't recommend enabling it as I got blue screen of days couple of times already. For now, I prefer having memory training every time, maybe until this feature matures in later versions. And here I have the socket voltage set to 1.2 volt as usual. Thankfully, it works fine with this RAM kit as well. Now that I'm done with BIOS settings, here you see a comparison of booting time with memory context restore on versus off. So booting time takes about 15 seconds with it on, while about 36 seconds when it's off. So anyway, let's head over to AIDA64 Extreme, and here I'll show you the memory benchmark for read, write, copy, and latency. For read we got 93,241 MB. For write we got 97,239 MB. As for copy, it's 83,262, and finally for latency it's 67.7 nanosecond. For comparison, I got my other RAM, which is an Expo enabled 6000 MHz, and you can see the difference in benchmark. While it's not a massive difference, but still quite notable. And to make sure it's stable at this speed, I ran some stress test on RAM test software and AIDA64 stability test, and I haven't got any issue, so it's safe to say it's usable for everyday scenario. And after doing all those tests, the socket voltage is yet as I've set it to 1.2 volt, so it's not rising up by itself, which is good. And now for the final part, let's head to game benchmarks, because here you will see worse performance for the 7200 MHz RAM. For example, like here in Asia from BIOS 2. In Cyberpunk 2077, you see the performance is actually a tad higher. I'm quite certain that in later BIOS versions, higher memory speed support will just get better down the line. That's about it. I really thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel and see you in the next one.